Okay, got an update on the renovation. So a few things. All the ceiling insulation is in. Got that all the way around, all the way around, all the way around. So that was something. It's done. And if you remember before, there used to be a pillar that came up from the ground here and went up to the ceiling. That has been removed. So that gives me quite a bit more workspace area. And the same thing over here. There was one down here as well that went up. And now that that's gone, I'll have much more space for the office bedroom. And I've got the shower pan here. And the reason that I've got a shower pan is in doing some research, I've realized that I'm going to have to dig up all of this area of the concrete for the plumbing, for the drains. And the mess that that makes is something that you want to do before you finish your walls and your ceiling and you do all the nice stuff, because it really does make quite a bit of dust. So even though the bathroom was the last thing on the list, this whole project, and it still is the last thing, at least have to get the rough in plumbing done before I do anything with the walls and the ceiling and all the nice stuff. Even the electrical. I don't want all that dust in the electric boxes and so forth. So got the shower pan. It's going to go right where that big cut open space is there. And then was able to dig up the drain. So this is the drain that comes out from, there's the bathroom on the other side of that wall. And it just comes out and goes out to the septic tank there. So I rented a jackhammer, busted all this up. And we're going to have a sink right there. Toilet more or less above the drain. Maybe a little bit to the right of it. Got to figure that out. That might be a bit tricky. And then the shower here. And then that deeper hole you see, that's where the shower drain is going to go. And it'll connect right to the main drain that goes out. So that should be pretty simple, hopefully. And did a plastic base, and then I'll just build a custom surround for the shower. And all of that building part of the shower and the fixtures and the toilet and the sink, Ricky's taking a rock outside. Okay, Ricky. That's all the last step. I still don't want to do that in the near future. But I just have to get this drain stuff in first so that I can pour fresh concrete and then level this floor out, because it does slope almost an inch to the side there. So I need to level all that out as well, and then frame this room up and then kind of forget about it for a little while so I can focus my attention on getting this room framed up and getting the ceiling joists in, which is really the kind of the next thing, so that I can get the electrical. Can't do the electrical without the ceiling joists. So, but anyways, that's what we got. A little bit of an update. And today I'm going to buy some of the PVC. Well, first of all, I'm going to measure everything, lay it out, and see what's going to connect where and how that can be done. Make a list of what I need for this material, and then get all that and lay it out, and maybe over the next week or so kind of glue it together. And then maybe in a week or so, look at getting some concrete and filling in this opening here. So there we go. Ricky did not eat the rock, thankfully. He's been chewing on everything, though, I'll tell you that. All right, so there's the update.